Hello viewers, welcome back to Instant Nerd. Today I am going to walk you through the process of fixing Bluetooth earphones not connecting to your iPhone 16. There might be a few causes of such an issue. However, resolving it is very easy and handy. So, first of all, check whether the Bluetooth on your device is turned on or not by accessing the control center. Now, as you can see, Bluetooth is not connected. After that, tap on Bluetooth settings to see the complete list of devices. Now, tap on your intended device and let it load for a few moments. Now, as you can see, it is giving this error. So make sure that your earphones are in range and are not connected to any other Bluetooth device. Once you fix that, your Bluetooth earphones will automatically get connected. You can tap on this I button here for more information on your connected device. And this is how you fix Bluetooth earphones not connecting to your iPhone 16. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If yes, like it and subscribe to my channel for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials.